is already helping you stay matte. Now, what are you doing to avoid the mattation or the dryation of your skin? Welcome back to another episode. Oh my gosh, Nika, you're here again. It's your girl at the Nix on the beat. Today I'm giving you glowation, dewation for the wintation, and I'm also slaying with this amazing easy peasy wig to bun hairstyle. As if you've noticed, everybody is packing their hair and doing something extra as a tail, and I'm just like, wow, Nix, be creative, be different. And here I am, creative and different. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve everything on my face, then keep on watching. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, new year, new background, new year, new background. I found a new way to look dewy, moisturized and hydrated during the winter season. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to moisturize my skin. I usually go extra with the moisturizer now. As you guys saw in my last video, the New Year's Eve video, if you've not watched it, go watch it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what the hell are you waiting for? Just go and click the button, please, please. I'm using the Olay Complete Daily Moisturizer. I'm using the Blur and Smooth Master Prime. Basically, yeah, the more you prep your skin, the better your foundation application. Now that we're looking almost ghosty, it's time for the foundation. The Too Faced Born This Way collaboration with Jackie, I know, the shade Sable. This foundation is everything to me right now. It's really, really hydrating, and I find that after like an hour's wear, it gives me a dewy glow. Like, the glow is phenomenal. Just because we're in the spirit of dewation, the Tribe Beauty box, their December box, which was amazing. Oh my god, this box was so full. Like, I was like, wow, for me, thank you. This Transformix foundation mixer came in the December box, and it's supposed to make any foundation dewy. It says that this weightless makeup mixer instantly changes foundation into a radiant dewy finish without compromising the quality, wear or color of your foundation. If you're somebody who prefers using matte makeup, then having this will give you the dewy finish but still have the matte effect. I've put the foundation and now I'm going to mix it with the Transformix. I added 2 drops, but 1 extra drop from the extra that was hanging from the mouth of the thing. So I don't know if this would make this foundation too dewy, because the foundation is already like kind of dewy in nature. But let's see how it works. For my concealer today, I'm going back to an OG concealer of mine, which is the Milk Makeup Concealer. I need to buy a new concealer to review. Any suggestions, put in the comment box below. Also, my cover FX I think has finished, so I need another one. What's my review on the mixer right now? My skin feels amazing even after the mixer. I thought the mixer would make it a little bit thicker or something, but it doesn't. It does not even feel like I did anything. I would proceed to dusting my face, basically like dusting off the setting powder. So right after dusting off your setting powder, I go in with a dewy setting spray. So I use the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Gravitate towards buying dewy, especially because it is the winter season or even a cold season right now, and you need something that would not make you look like the weather is physically attacking you. I drench my face to the point where I can't really open my eyes because there's a splash of preparation from the sprayation. Okay, so now that it looks like my setting spray has dried a little bit, I usually go in with the highlighting of the skin. I'm going in with the Younger Beauty Candid Glow in the shade Yowa. I'd say I've been using this for like 8 months, almost a year, and it's still very like full. I like when I buy things and I'm actually getting way more than I spent. Like, the worth is way more than I spent on the product. Although I got this for free because Younger Beauty is thebomb.com, but I'm just glad that even if I had bought it for like the 4,000 naira that it's priced for, I won't regret it. I will be back to show you the finalization of the makeupation, of the glowation, to the dayation, for the dewation, of the winter. I couldn't finish. Sucks, right? How long was that going to last? Okay, princesses and queens and princes and any other dignitaries out there, I'm back. Eyeliner done, everything was done except one thing that I'm gonna get done right now. I'm gonna blush it right up. Right after that, what I usually do is to go in with the Dewy setting spray yet again, and I basically use this to blend everything that I just applied into my skin. So now that my whole face is setting, it's time for me to wear my eyelashes, do my lipstick, and you know, just finalize the whole makeup. That's basically how I get my dewy skin finish looking as makeup during the winter and dry season. This is actually not expensive at all. This retails for $7 US, you guys. Copy it. So to finalize the duration of the glowation of the makeupation with the foundation and inspiration, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish again, but this time I'm just gonna do a tiny little spritzation, like poop, just for a nice last minute balance glow. As you can see, we are glowing perfectly, you guys. I absolutely love this. This is how I look when I'm walking on the street. This is why I get all the compliments. This is why people are jealous of me and my skin routine. So if you like to look this fabulous during the winter season, you know what to do. So by the way, you guys, I got new hair from SVT Hair. Ew, where do I wait some of my hair? I have this wig from SVT Hair. I got it dyed and customized and colored, but the report was that the hair was shedding after the bleaching, which is not great. So I guess maybe if you do get this SVT hair, don't bleach it. So I saw this hairstyle on, I think it's Tiara Walker, this curly hair ponytail looking hairstyle, and I fell in love with it. So I'm just like, I want to recreate it. But she used bundles. I want to go in and use a wig itself. So I'm just going to take the edge of the wig, get rubber band, take that, right, and then wrap it around your hair. So I'm just going to use the rubber band to hold that in place, and I'm just going to take it around my hair. So then you take the other end of the wig, I pull the hair right there, and then I go under the whole wigation, and then I just rotate till I get to where I know that it's set. Going with the rubber band, then I'm going to tighten that right under. You can actually sew the hair right onto your hair just in case you're going for a more secure hold, but for me, rubber actually just does the job. The wig is a bun, honey. Shout outs to SVT Hair for the wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so glad that you guys were able to learn how to get a dewy skin finish, an amazing hairstyle, and you got to watch a beautiful dark skin girl slay in the new year. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the love with your friends, families, enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios, amigos. Catch you another time. Peace.